Hello friends, myself Dr.Jayvir, and today we are going to learn about computer-aided manufacturing from semester 6 as per the syllabus of Gujarat Technological University in Mechanical Engineering Department year 2022. Computer-aided manufacturing, in a short manner it uh, reflected as a CAME. CAME concept, objectives and scope. So these 3 points are also covered under the syllabus of CAME. CAME concept, as I already said, CAME stands for computer aided manufacturing. So how computer is aided with manufacturing, that is all about the CAME concept. So here you can see one fellow who is doing something on a computer, and through that process a product outcome is arrived. So that is all about the game. Let's discuss about the objectives of the game. So the first objective is automation and integration. Automation means automation in terms of products, and integration means integration with each and every software or software with the system. High product quality. High product quality will obtain due to the less human interface and less human error. As computer is handling all the processes, so there will be less chances of human error or technical issues, because for the known technical issues the remedies are also automated in such cases. That's why high product quality is desirable. High productivity. Once you are applying a computer aided manufacturing system in your process, in your product quality, and productivity of the product is also going to improve, because there is no ideal time while computer is doing process, correct? So computer can work for 24 by 7 without having any ideal time. So that's why productivity can be improved. Next, reduction in manufacturing and lead time. As I already said, if computer is used in case of manufacturing system, so manufacturing time and lead time can be reduced, and that will again give you a surety of the success or surety of the maximum profit outcome out of it. Reduction in manpower, as computer is involved in throughout the automatic process. So instead of computer, if we put a person, then a chain of persons are required, chain of manpower are required. But if all the processes are automated or connected with the computer, then less manpower or manpower required for the operation of computer only. Easy material handling and with precision. Automated storage and retrieval system with the automated guided vehicle is implemented when CAM implemented in the industry. So you can see the image in which there are many racks are available, under which there may be a raw material provided or different fasteners are provided in order to assemble an outcome product, and that is guided by the automated guided vehicles. So if you define a row number 3 and column number 4, so the automated guided vehicle will provide you the same product but with the optimum possible path. So easy material handling and with precision it can work. It cannot give you the another product if you give the input of column 3 and row 4 product. Integration with CAD is a distinct function of the CAM objectives because the CAD software is based upon the imagination of a particular person. So under the CAD software, one once a designer designing a CAD product, that CAD product is directly generating the CAM simulation or CAM code out of it, and that product can be directly what's it directly we can insert such programming into the manufacturing unit, and from that unit we can generate n number of output based upon the imagination of the designer. So that's the beauty of the CAM, computer aided manufacturing, that designer can design with n number of creativity and with n number of solutions, and that can be generated from the CAM software at the end of the production system by using computer only. Scope of the CAM. In order to understand the scope of the CAM, we first need to understand about the seam wheel. So here is the seam wheel, which having 4 stages in general. The stage 1, or here it is written island 1, that is design. So design include computer aided design. So that is also a scope of the CAM, which includes geometric modeling, engineering analysis, design review and evaluation, automated drafting, and generation of report. Now the second island of the CAM is computer aided manufacturing process control. So that manufacturing process control involves computer aided process planning, which is termed as CAPP. Secondly, requirement computerized scheduled planning. Third is computerized work scheduling, and NC unit programming. So these 4 parts are under the CAMPC, which is generally related to manufacturing process and control. And the third scope of the CAM is itself manufacturing, means computer aided manufacturing, which includes flexible manufacturing system into it. The fourth part deals with the seam wheel, computer integrated manufacturing, and the fourth part is computer aided business function, which is not a scope of the CAD CAM. If the scope of the CAD CAM need to be explained, then you need to explain only island 1, island 2 and island 3, which are design, manufacturing and process control. So these 3 are the scope of the CAM. Nature and type of manufacturing system. There are different types of manufacturing system based on the product variety and the volume of the product. So first one is job soap type. The another one is batch production type. The third one is mass production type, and the fourth one is continuous production type. Let's discuss it in detail. So the continuous production type, or you can say continuous flow production, which is 24 by 7 production all over the year, very high volume and very low variety, like a plastic bottle of Bisleri, which is generated in high volume but low variety. So petrochemicals refinery, edible oil refinery, street making, steel making, paper making, beer brewing, these are the examples of. Now the another type of manufacturing system is mass flow or inline production, which having very low variety but high volume will be there. So it is generally observed in automobile plants, food processes and beer bottling type of business. Continuous repetitive production system. So it's a continuous products in which the same kind of products is repetitively made. Now as we cross this middle line, then we are processing with the batch production. So what do you mean by batch production? Which produce in a lots, groups or batches, medium variety and medium volume, like drug and pharmaceutical chemicals. So very in a precise order manner we need to prepare it. The another type of uh, production process is job soap production varieties. So job soap production type. In job soap production type, varieties of product produced in a small amount, like painting soaps and machine tool soaps. And the project production type. Project means completely customized. So it is a large contract and project for production. Very high variety, but in a very less volume. So construction of airports, dams, roads, buildings. These are very few occurrence kind of uh, manufacturing system which is required. So having very less number of orders, but for that kind of order, a project production type of process is delivered, like shipbuilding, like building mass rapid transportation system, movie production companies and drilling of wells. So I hope from this lecture you are very much clear about chem concept, the scope and objective of the chem, as well as type of the manufacturing systems or say production processes. Thank you very much and have a nice day.